Hi there, I'm Doug Melton, Program Director at the Kern Family Foundation. I am delighted to introduce you to the 2024 Engineering Unleashed Faculty Development National Workshops. Faculty development comes in a variety of ways, and the national workshops are a fantastic program. These are workshops that are contributed by the Engineering Unleashed community. They've been carefully curated and crafted. They offer a unique platform for integrating entrepreneurial mindset in your teaching, in your service, in your research. And they conclude with practical applications, a project that helps you apply these learnings in a real world application in what you're working on. So this year we have 14 diverse workshops in cities like Milwaukee, Minneapolis, Albuquerque, and also available online. Now, each workshop is an opportunity to dive deep because the experience does not stop with just the meetup, which is a great event, but it continues with coaches who will help you get a project and the application of these learnings across the finish line. So also, you might be interested to know that outstanding participants are recognized and nominated by coaches for the Engineering Unleashed Fellowship, which includes recognition and a grant to support and amplify continued work. Now, here's some key dates to remember. I'll take a look at these. Registration opens on February 8th, coinciding with the opening of the 2024 Keene National Conference. And for those who happen to be lucky enough to have a golden ticket, be sure to use your code before it expires on March 22nd. After that, any unused tickets will be opened up to the wider Engineering Unleashed community. And also be sure to register for the workshop that you're interested in before the close of registration in April. Now, beneath this video, you'll find detailed information about each workshop. You can scroll around and find an overview of topics, or you can go down even further and find the landing page, which includes team bios and the specific benefits of each workshop. So join us in this adventure to broaden your skills and to impact engineering education. This is a great opportunity to grow, to innovate, and to contribute to shaping the future of our field. Look forward to seeing you there.